Respected businessman and economist Nigel Chanakira says acceptance of the new currency, Zimbabwe Gold, ZiG, will be difficult given that the majority still prefer the greenback. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where I give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before you go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. The Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe (RBZ) launched ZiG and scraped the Zim dollar last week after the latter had significantly depreciated over the past few months. In the first quarter of the year alone, the Zimbabwe dollar depreciated by slightly more than 260%. Chanakira made the remarks at a post-2024 Monetary Policy and Outlook conference yesterday. He asked the conference attendees, who are close to 200, to show by raising of hands which currency they preferred between the US dollar and ZiG, and all chose the former. In today's news, the ZiG currency is difficult to accept in a US-dominated market. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates.